Subscribe to Software Testing Mentor channel, learn latest technologies in software testing, test automation, testing tools, and much more. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial on Cucumber BDD. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Cucumber Eclipse Plugin in the Eclipse IDE. So in order to install Cucumber Eclipse Plugin, you need to launch Eclipse. So once you have installed your Java and then your Eclipse IDE, you just need to go to the location where you have installed Eclipse and open Eclipse IDE. Once you open Eclipse IDE, you will be on the particular window that you can see here. So you can see File, Edit, Navigate, Search, Project, Run, Window, and Help. In order to install Cucumber Eclipse plugin, just go to Help and click on Eclipse Marketplace. So there are two ways to install Eclipse Cucumber Eclipse plugin. First one is you can go to Eclipse Marketplace and search for the Cucumber Eclipse plugin. Second one is you Google the link for Eclipse plugin, Cucumber Eclipse plugin, and click on Install New Software and provide that link. So I'll cover these two processes one by one. So let's start with Eclipse Marketplace first. So click on Eclipse Marketplace and it will retrieve all the data from Eclipse Marketplace. So it will take some time to pull the data. Once the data is available, then you can click on this Find button here or Find text box and type in Cucumber Eclipse plugin. So now all the data has been loaded. So I'll just say Cucumber Eclipse plugin and hit search, hit enter, and it will search Cucumber Eclipse plugin in the marketplace. So once you find the result, you see Cucumber Eclipse plugin version is available already, and at the moment it's you can see install button enabled. So that means this plugin is not yet installed in your Cucumber in your Eclipse IDE. So you can click on install in order to go ahead and install. So I'll click on install and it will start installing Cucumber Eclipse plugin. So it will take some time. So the next step is it will ask you to accept the license. So accept the license agreement and term and click on finish. So it will give you a security warning. Click on install anyway, and it has already installed now. So it will, once the installation is successful, it will ask you to restart your Eclipse IDE. Click on restart now to apply those changes. So I'll click on restart now, and it's restarting at the moment. So once Eclipse has launched again, you will get this window, welcome window. Close it, and in order to check that the installation has been successful, go to the Eclipse Marketplace again, and once all the information is retrieved, you can click on installed button at the top here, and it will show you all the installed plugins in Eclipse IDE. So let the plugins load. So now it's loaded. I'll click on installed button here, and it will load all the installed plugins. So at the moment you can see Cucumber Eclipse plugin has been already installed on my Eclipse IDE, and I can see the uninstall button here. Okay, so that's the first way to install Cucumber Eclipse plugin. The other way is to find the So just open google.com and type in install Cucumber Eclipse plugin and hit enter, and scroll down and you'll find installation of new version of Cucumber Eclipse plugin. Open that, the GitHub location. You will see this site URL, cucumber.github.io, Cucumber Eclipse, and update site. Just copy this URL and come back to your Eclipse IDE and click on install help and install new software. Click on add, just type any name here and paste that link. Click on add. Now as soon as you add, you will see that Cucumber Eclipse plugin is available. Just check that box and click on finish. So since at the moment I have already installed Cucumber Eclipse plugin, I won't find the finish, or finish button won't be enabled because the plugin is already installed in my instance. So either ways, you can either go to the Eclipse marketplace or find out the link to update the site and install from the available software, or from help and install new software. Going through marketplace is pretty straightforward, so I would recommend you to go through the marketplace and install Cucumber Eclipse plugin. Now the other thing I want to highlight here is that installing Cucumber Eclipse plugin is totally optional. It's not mandatory. I mean, it is good to have because this plugin helps you, or it understands the Gherkin feature file, or the features that you will write in given when then format. So if you don't have this plugin, the given when then format or the feature file will look plain text. There won't be any highlighting, or there won't be any error handling thing, or basically it won't show you any errors that you might make in your in the feature file, but otherwise it's basically optional. It's not mandatory to write the feature file and execute the feature file. It's highly recommended because it gives a clean kind of it highlights the Gherkin syntax in a very clean and presentable way. So that is pretty much all about installing Cucumber Eclipse plugin in Eclipse IDE. In next tutorial, we will learn what all other plugins are required, or what all other jars are required to set up your BDD development environment. Thank you.